In December 2014 in Northern Virginia, a Reddit user claimed they had been woken from their sleep by a loud noise at 2 a.m. While the rest of their family stayed in bed, they went outside to record the noise, which seemed to be coming from the woods behind their house. The audio clip sounds like a distressed woman screaming in pain or for help, although it's difficult to know exactly what the sound is. The voices sound very disturbed and distinctly human, ruling out suggestions guessing they could be from an animal. The user checked news outlets in the following days but was unable to find anything in print or online about what they had heard. To this day, the noise in the woods remains a mystery.